Okay, another one coming to you live here at Victory Honda of Plymouth. 2024 Honda HRV Sport all-wheel drive. Black in color, black wheels. Those black wheels come with the Sport package. Black body-colored mirrors and door handles. This thing is sleek. This thing is sporty. It's ready for a new home. Only 11,000 miles on a 2024. She leased this one from us. Just came back and got a new one here recently. One owner, clean Carfax. Just went through the 182-point inspection for the Honda Certified program. We checked it over from top to bottom, front to back, side to side. Make sure that we checked the brakes, the fluids, the filters, the tires, everything that it needed in order to be certified. Comes with a 7-year, 100,000-mile warranty from Honda. You can take it to any Honda dealership in the United States, and they'll pull it up by the VIN number that you have the Honda Certified warranty. It gives it an additional 12 months, 12,000 miles on the bumper to bumper. So you really have 48 months or 48,000 miles total bumper to bumper on this car. So you got lots of warranty left. Comes with 2 keys, the books, service records, Carfax, you name it. We're going to detail it from top to bottom, front to back, inside, outside. It'll be professionally detailed. Those seats, you got orange stitching around the bolsters. Let me just pop in here and show you real quick the steering wheel. You got your audio controls and everything on the steering wheel. Push button start. It's got heated seats. It's got remote start with the Sport trim. Just zoom in on the miles, 11,534. Come check it out today. Victory Honda Plymouth, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. Give us a call, 734-453-3600. Again, Victory Honda Plymouth 2024 Honda HRV Sport all-wheel drive with only 11,000 miles. Honda certified, 2 sets of keys, all your paperwork, professionally detailed, ready to go. Thanks.